my god. What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. We're going to kick it right off with another one of our giveaways. We're also going to be cutting open those CTSV mufflers and also finding out what the GTO did on the dyno. So stay tuned, it's going to be a good one. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to everybody for subscribing. We hit 9,000 subscribers last week, which doesn't sound like a whole lot, but it's a hell of a lot more than we had last year when we started this. So we appreciate it. We don't have any huge channels kind of promoting our stuff. We started from scratch. And another thing, we focus on the business first. So thank you to everyone. Let's decide which video we're gonna go with. I did Friday last week more, so let's go with Friday's video. A little less views, a little less comments. It was a good video. If you haven't watched it yet, go check it out. You'll see the surprise that Louis got for his car, and we're gonna do some more with his car in this episode, so stay tuned. All right, so I got everybody's comments in here. If you don't see your comment, it's probably because it was deleted if you spoiled the surprise. Otherwise, all the comments are in here. Obviously, first thing we said, Merry Christmas, everyone. Don't spoil the surprise in the comments, otherwise they will be deleted. Some of you did not listen, so it was deleted, and that makes it so that you are not entered in the giveaway. So follow the rules. Some of the guesses were pretty crazy. 800 and 550 torque, that is pretty insane if it would do that. Stay tuned, you will find out what it will make. Let's go to the moment you've been waiting for. So everybody's comment is in here who commented and followed the rules. Let's hit random and go with the person that hits number one. Ready? Mr. Corvette for the win. Mr. Corvette for the win. FTW. There it is. Mr. Corvette, Goat puts down 660, and please say the driver mod is getting twins. I cannot confirm or deny that as of right now. You will just have to stay tuned to find out what is going on with the car. But what better place to start than driver mod? So, into our next segment. All right. This is quite the amount of stuff for going back to stock. Yep. So what's going on?
Broken stuff.
Well, I know it's broken stuff. Thank you. What did he break? What did Louis break?
That.
Really? Oh, so it's not just the diff?
Well, the diff, he cracked all the ears off.
Okay, so that's probably what one of the pieces was at the track.
And
it's
then,
probably this, where it bolts in.
And you can see where all this is messed up. But then that all came from this. It's missing off the back of it.
The output shaft? Jesus Christ. Holy. All of that broke off. Output shaft broke. Damn, dude.
This is why we can't have nice things.
This, seriously. Holy. So what's the torque tube look like?
Torque tube looks fine, but that is bent. And wobbles.
Yeah. Well, at least he didn't hurt that.
No. One out of the 4 pieces.
Well, we didn't build that. We didn't build that. We built that, so that's good. Dude. Alright, so I guess we'll be sending the diff, trans, and torque tube out to RPM Transmissions.
See. It was also closed next week.
Are they closed all next week? For Christmas?
Yep.
And New Year's?
Yep. So this won't be going anywhere anytime soon.
Merry Christmas. It's pretty impressive.
Actually, I'm not even mad. That's amazing.
So how's it coming, Eric?
Good.
Got the heads on, new valve springs. Got that nice K-Tech Valley cover.
Sure do. Sure
Man.
do.
So yeah, so what's next?
What am I waiting on? I'm waiting on the blower. I can do the fuel system, stuff like that. I'm not gonna put those valve covers on until.
After, yeah. They're too nice to...
Yeah, I don't want to be
Mess them
putting the
up.
blower on and risk scratching it or something like that. So I'm gonna wait.
Can we get a sneak peek of them?
Yes. You can give me a minute.
Sure.
This tensioner on.
One eternity later.
Let's take a look at those
I'm gonna
valve
check out
covers.
those valve covers.
Yeah.
There you have it. And eventually, our Race-Proof Motorsports logo will go in there.
Nice. Not good. They're gonna match the brakes. Yeah, it's like that candy red to match the brakes.
Yep.
Looks good.
Yeah, it'll look pretty good once it's done. Can't wait. Then he's got some wheels to go on it too.
Nice.
A little relocation kit. Front bumper.
Is that what that is, huh? Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Thanks. Oh, God. That's
Top blower.
That's a seat. Ah, thanks. Good work, Eric.
Yeah, thanks.
Keep it up. Keep up the good work. Oh, hey.
Hey. Yeah. You got a tune on that?
Yep.
Sweet.
This is how I'm tuning it.
Sweet.
Nice.
It's got this wonderful tune on there now.
So here you're gonna finally drive a real car.
Yep. I'm gonna drive my truck home.
About your birthday present?
Yep. I'm still slightly mad at her for it.
Huh?
I said I'm still slightly mad at her for it.
For what? Getting it for you?
Yeah.
Why? That's a sick gift.
Oh, I'm very well aware. So is the price tag.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't spend near that kind of money on you. You're not.
I wouldn't either. That's the thing.
But apparently, for some reason, she cares about you. So,
Some reason. I'm not sure why.
so you're doing what, horse driving experience thing?
Yeah. I didn't look at the full details on it yet, but going to Cali, driving a GT3 and a 911
Around the real racetrack.
around one of them things that you like turn at.
One of those real racetracks.
I'm not sure how to turn though,
I know you're not.
so we'll see. Turning
Give
will
me
be
some pointers before you leave.
turning will be a new experience. You'll give me some
Give
pointers.
me some pointers before you leave.
Your car is too slow to do anything.
Dude, I will destroy you around the...
We already
I know.
went over this.
I know, and we're gonna freaking go to...
Your BMW and my ZR1.
Let's do
I
it.
looked it up the other night. It's like $275 to drive your own car around the track.
HPD. Yeah, we're gonna go to New Jersey Motorsports Park.
We'll
We're
do
gonna get
both. We'll
Joey.
do both tracks.
Yeah, we're gonna do Lightning and Thunderbolt. And
Yeah, I
I'm
don't know
gonna
the names of them.
I'm gonna destroy you around both of them. Definitely.
You realize your car makes like 306 horsepower to the tire,
Talk
right?
And then when I destroy you and Joey both, you're gonna be like, what?
No, it won't. Because
Yeah.
it won't happen.
It will happen.
You really think you're gonna beat my ZR1 around a racetrack?
That might be my only competition.
I mean,
That might be my only competition. Joey won't be a competition. He'll like catch me on a straight, and then I will just outturn him again, and outbrake him.
catch you on a straight or destroy you on a
Whatever.
straight? There's a huge difference
I
there.
will exit the turn sooner, and then he will catch me, and then I will brake later than him, and just
You realize he probably has like trap speed 25 mile an hour on him.
It does not matter. He's got to brake way before me because
know.
my car is about half of what his weighs.
We'll just put the factory wheels and tires back on.
That's fine.
We'll put Brembos and on it.
Okay.
I got carbon ceramic, so you're no matter how you look at it.
You're the only competition, but I'll outdrive you.
I'll let you think that until it happens.
Okay. When are we doing this?
I don't know.
We got to do it before you do the Porsche experience because then
I'm doing that in February, so we can't do that. It'll be too cold here.
I want to do it before you actually drive a real car around a road course. So then...
Why? I might get some experience?
Yes. Oh, rev match? Oh, huh.
We'll see.
Heel toe? What is that?
No, I know exactly what that is. How do you think I do my burnouts? I tried explaining that to KP, and then I'm like, I'll just put a line lock in for you. So I just did a line lock.
All right, well, you and me we got to get Phil to come too.
Phil will go.
I know.
I bet you Phil you up in his Integra.
No, he won't.
Bet he does.
I bet he does.
Phil.
I bet he doesn't.
I bet he does.
It weighs a little bit less, but he doesn't have near the power to weight. We'll see. I'm excited. Kind of sucks we don't have a baseline to see what it did before because the clutch.
I don't know how much boost it's going to make, but
I don't think a lot.
I guess it makes
7.
500.
Real. Yeah. Cam.
Depends on boost. If it makes 6 pounds,
I think it's going to make 7 pounds, 530.
that's pushing it. If it makes 6 pounds, I guess 500. No, I guess 493.
Okay.
If it makes 8 pounds, I guess 519. Yeah, but it's a tiny blower. Tiny blower.
Still, it's a blower with a cam.
Tiny blower.
Okay. So that's what I'm saying. I'm saying 530. The only thing I think is like the headers.
I think it's got shorty headers on it though, and I think it still has the factory cats.
Okay. Yeah, so it might be closer to the 5 number. I'm still gonna push it over. I don't know how much boost it did or whatever, so 530 is my guess.
I'm still gonna go with my guesses because I don't remember them.
Okay.
At least they're on the record.
Yes.
Eric said around 500.
Did he?
I didn't ask Tyler.
I'm getting a pretty good idea after the first poll.
Probably.
I'm guessing 460 first one.
I don't know if I'll make a full pull the first pull.
That's true.
If I do, it will make more than 460.
Okay. Do it already. Stop talking.
I'm in the process.
Enter. I know.
Air fuel is perfect, but I usually never make a full pull first time. But it made 455, so you're right.
Not bad.
But I'm just gonna make another pull now. Makes 6 pounds and made 469.
Okay. I was pretty close.
I will be close. I said on 6 it'll make 493. So we'll see how much timing
You're gonna
takes
pick up more.
Got 15 degrees in it right now, which
Okay.
I probably won't put a ton more with this thing.
Yeah. So it means it was probably making about 7, 8 pounds before.
Probably.
Okay. Needs meth.
Everything needs meth.
I know. six open?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Hi, are you just gonna cut them open with the? Are you just gonna like cut a notch and then flip it open?
Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do.
Just with a whiz wheel thing or whatever. I was gonna say, yeah, you bandsaw it, but no, yeah, I just cut like a
little
whiz
butt
wheel.
flap?
Yeah.
Like those PJs,
Cut a
butt
flap.
flap?
A butt, yeah, butt flap.
Butt flap, yeah.
I think I should go pretty big. I mean,
Yeah.
I'll just use my grinder. Get in there and do it.
I would say that's probably the main one we need to cut open.
Yeah,
The one with the that was the one with the water in it, right?
Left side, yeah, driver's side.
Yeah.
So now everyone can stop asking about when we're cutting the muffler open.
Some guy put like commented on the Instagram picture and was like, cut those mufflers open already.
Well, see,
Dude, I was pumped that drone thing worked.
I told you, for $6.
Oh, it did work, Eric?
Yeah, it got me another 500 feet from my house. So, but I mean, if I was
In an
like
open area, it's
it
going to
would-
be like
Oh.
50% more.
And it was how much? 15 bucks?
$6.
that's it?
It was literally $6. Zero shipping because
Yeah.
I have Prime.
Yeah, range extenders. It's that gold. No one believes in the gold, but works. You excited, Bill? I can see your face. You can't contain your excitement.
No, yeah. I'm ready. Which
Make
way are
one
we
of
gonna cut them? This way?
I figure we'll just cut a
Butt flap.
Preview window?
yeah, like we do like with the muffler mod or whatever.
How late you get home from the game last night?
About 1 o'clock.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I figured you were
I
gonna
phoned
call out
up
today.
this morning. I was in the
Yeah.
shower. I was like, that's
know.
fucking Eric.
When it texted me and said Eric turned off the alarm, I was like, holy shit.
I was going to take bets.
Yeah. Nah, just flip it up.
Flip that up.
Yeah.
I'll grab some of it.
Little pliers.
Screwy.
Just use your hand.
Yeah. Almost.
Oh my god.
I don't want to touch it because I'm sure it's hot. It's not hot.
I should grab 4 of them.
Yeah, I was gonna say, so you can slice your finger.
Yeah, he's good at cutting himself.
Well, I don't see anything in that one. Nothing comes out of here.
See anything?
So the exhaust has to come through these perforated holes, then go in these holes and out. Because it's completely blocked back here and completely blocked basically up there. It's open down there, but there's like 3 little perforated holes here that'll have to go out the exhaust.
So this here is blocked?
Yeah. Well, this pipe goes right into here.
Yeah, I know.
So no, this has an opening,
Okay, that's what I
but
meant.
there's no exhaust going to get in there.
Right.
So in other words, it has to come out these little holes, then go in these holes to go out. If that's not a restriction, I'm not sure what is.
Yeah.
Grab your flashlight, Eric. Dude, like there's no way those holes are supposed to be that tiny.
That's why it sounds like it's breathing through a straw.
It is, basically. Like you can barely see through this.
Yeah. So just a design.
Well, it is a dumb design, but
I see what you're saying.
I mean, I know light doesn't bend, but
Yeah.
I would think that
Places where you can cut
you would be able to see. Yeah, I don't get it. I mean, I don't design mufflers for a living, but if I did. This is not how I would design it. I don't know, let's see if the other one's the same. Same thing?
Yeah, same thing.
That's it. So it's just a dumb design.
That stock one's probably be better than that.
Oh, no doubt. 100%. Joey's car makes way more power than this thing. He's got stock mufflers on his car.
That's true.
Most of the V's we do generally have stock mufflers. It's just a bad design. That's it. Sorry.
Okay. So we're doing a giveaway on them now?
Yeah, sure. If someone wants them, they can pay shipping. They can have them.
Okay.